एंड नमस्ते। चीज़ केक की बात करें और सन सेबेस्टियन चीज़ केक नहीं खाया हो तो फिर क्या खाया? सन सेबेस्टियन comes from Spain. It's also called burnt Basque. It's also called charred cheesecake. This is the cheesecake which is decadent, creamy and such simple. You don't need any garnish, you don't need any berry. So बात करते हैं ingredients की now. तो जो most important part है वो है a cream cheese. And I have taken mascarpone, so it's a blend of cream cheese and mascarpone. We have sugar, we have a flour and we have a cream. This recipe requires very less ingredients, very less effort, and this is something you should do it at home. So in case if you couldn't understand what is mascarpone, ये वही mascarpone जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं वो तिरामिसू में यूज़ होता है. The one cheese which is used in tiramisu, this is the same cheese I am talking about. That's a mascarpone. Cream cheese आप सब लोगों ने यूज़ किया होगा. It's like hanged yogurt. थोड़ा सा sourness होता है, thick होता है, fat is about 60%. So cream cheese सबको पता है. mascarpone नहीं है तो आप cream cheese भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. To make the cheesecake, obviously what you need is a good ring. This ring is not a cheesecake one. It's a simple ring. What you can use is this is SS ring. So we have to just brush. We will use the silver foil first and then we will just keep rolling this way. Step 2 is butter paper strips. I have just small tear is there this can be used for folding. This goes this way. And after that you can just apply some more butter if it is required. Just ensure that paper is thick. Now to make the cheesecake, what you need is just all ingredients has to be emulsified. Emulsify means mixing all ingredients together. You take everything, so there is no process. You take your mixer grinder, food processor and just put everything all together and just keep mixing it. ये रहा egg. So start करते हैं egg because egg is the most important part of this recipe. I'm using 35% cream. What it does, it also make the cheesecake soft because the cheese itself is too dense, and if you use the cream 25% fat, it's about balancing the cream cheese with mascarpone and with the plain cream. So the next part is we have a mascarpone, and now the last but most important is the cream cheese. If you look at the detail of the cream cheese, it's very nice and has very less moisture. You use the breakfast sugar and one more last ingredients, very small flour. If you make this without flour, this becomes a gluten-free cake. And then that's almost becomes ready. So that's the texture of the cream cheese. Remember, this texture is very important. So since I talked about orange zest and lemon zest and I realized I have not added anything, so I am going to add some vanilla. Remember, the vanilla also helps to reduce the smell of egg. So now अब बारी है to pour the mix into a cake tin or cake ring. Now cheesecake is ready for baking. सारी चीज़ केक जो बेक करते हैं वो लोअर टेम्परेचर पे बेक करते हैं. मोस्टली इट्स अबाउट 150 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, 140 एंड देन वी यूज़ बेन मैरी, राइट, लाइक वाटर बाथ. जो हम चीज़ केक लेते हैं फिर पानी डालते हैं और चीज़ के ऊपर रख देते हैं. ना इस चीज़ की बात करें तो ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है बिकॉज वी हैव टू ब्रिंग कलर ऑन द टॉप, ऑब्वियसली कलर ऑन द साइड एंड कलर ऑन द बॉटम ऑल्सो, राइट. द मिडल पार्ट ऑफ द चीज़ केक इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट. So when we talking about high temperature, what is high temperature? Is about 230 degrees centigrade, right? It's much higher than 180, right? 180 is considered to be average baking temperature. 230 is the high temperature. So we are baking this cheesecake at 230 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes and the cheesecake will be done. So that's a very interesting part of this cheesecake. you see the cheesecake is baked from outside, and the center of the cheesecake is still very soft, decadent, creamy, and that's a beauty of the cheesecake, So, and now this is the time when we refrigerate the cheesecake at least for 6 to 8 hours. तो ये लीजिए, चीज़केक हो गया रेडी। ये 6 से 8 घंटे तक फ्रिज में रखा है हमने। आई वुड ऑलवेज सजेस्ट कीप इट ओवरनाइट इज़ बेस्ट। डिमोल्ड करना बहुत सिंपल है। ये पहले सिल्वर फॉयल निकाल लेंगे, एंड और साइड से निकालने के लिए व्हाट यू कैन यूज़ योर हेयर ड्रायर। It's also called bask. Baked on the side, good color, and you can notice one thing, the side is always higher and the bottom is slightly low. So if you see this, that's a beautiful part of the cheesecake. And very nice, good custard, you can keep scraping. But the beauty of the cheesecake is you have a vanilla and जैसे वो बोलते हैं ना गुलाब जामुन और कैरेमल। सो जब गुलाब जामुन बनाते हो आप, तो उसका जो टॉप वाला पार्ट होता है बिल्कुल कैरेमलाइज्ड हो जाता है, एंड देन यू एंजॉय द gooiness. This is something very nostalgic for me. So you have vanilla coming from the top, and obviously when you have caramel, this part, so this is something very amazing, like you have खाने के बाद करना क्या होता है पता ही है। प्लीज़ शेयर, of course share the cheesecake and share the video. See you again.